So we're trying this incline. It's actually not just a simple incline, it's slush, snow and kind of black ice as well. So this is diesel 4x4 80 automatic and currently running on Pirelli all-terrains. एक पीछे स्टोन है बड़ा सा,
सीधा कर लो टायर, टायर सीधा करो ना,
थोड़ा सा आगे लेके आओ, फुल राइट, फुल लेफ्ट, फुल लेफ्ट, फुल लेफ्ट, नहीं नहीं नहीं,
अब पूरा 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 राइट काटो तब इधर आएगा, स्टोन देखना इधर है,
जाओ, no, it's digging. Turn full right, full left, sorry, full left.
हाँ पीछे स्टोन है, पूरा राइट,
नहीं लेफ्ट लेने के लिए, ताकि आगे जाके देन कम बैक, क्योंकि यहाँ से तो वो रिवर्स ही जा रहा है. थोड़ा सा आगे जाओ, हाँ, एक्सेलरेट.
स्टोन को हटाना ही पड़ेगा.
हम रिकॉर्ड कर जाते,
क्या कर देते हैं?
हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. So there is a stone there that needs to be removed because the car is unable to move forward, so it needs to go reverse. Take the full, I would say, momentum there and then do a climb up.
आराम से वहाँ पे बहुत स्लिपी है.
And off-roading at such a beautiful location, I think there are very few people who get the opportunity. So Swati, how are you feeling to witness off-roading here at Langza?
Amazing, yeah. You guys, hats off to you guys to try something like this even. ठीक है, every time I feel like कि हाँ आप गाड़ी गई, आप गाड़ी गई.
So this is beautiful location, beautiful location. हाँ, full right, full right, full right. Go. बस. Bus, a full straight, go. So if you see, the car is actually not reversing, it's sliding back. That's because we have actually, when I was trying, I had dug up the area, so now you have the black ice. So the climb is difficult now. But with momentum, I think it can climb through. Marutis are evergreen. कहीं पे भी जा सकते हैं वो लोग. जहाँ पे कोई ना जा पाए वो मारुति.
जाने दो.
ऐसे बोलो ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल ऑफ. ए क्षितिज,
ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल ऑफ कर दो.
The reason why I've told him to switch off the traction control is because the moment the car detects a tire slip, it cuts off the power. And here we need the tire slip so that the car can keep on going.